we focus on the customer. We are committed to business growth. We create value investment. We are the capability team. We discover new and innovative solutions, technologies, and capabilities to help brands successfully win in the digital world. The capability team is 100% accountable of the tasks. We drive these to completion and engage with other teams as required. Our strategy defines how each capability will be used to help businesses win in their chosen business context. We steer research and analysis of the current internal situation and external environment to create a fact base. We guide development and assessment of available options to build on what is done well and what is required to close gaps. We facilitate the recommendation and decision-making process, communication, and implementation. E-commerce is becoming one great source for brands to sell our products with less cost and higher ROI. Through a robust strategy, the e-commerce capability team helps brands to increase product visibility online and grow sales using direct-to-consumer e-commerce solutions or through online retail partners. We develop the feature matrix of a new capability or technology to show how it differs with the other existing capabilities and how it integrates with them. The matrix presents an objective scoring of several CRM solutions against essentially our model for global CRM for KC. This ensures that our CRM tools effectively manage and analyze customer interactions and data to improve relationships with customers and assist in increasing customer retention and loyalty. The business case is a living document that visualizes and quantifies the overall return on investment and incremental cash costs and benefits. A business case captures information needed to support a decision to execute or not execute a project. Specifically, the file calculates a project NPV and payback and documents other important project attributes and assumptions. Our deployment services support the implementation and rollout of new and existing capabilities. We develop and align the appropriate architectural and integration approaches in selected markets and identify opportunities for adoption. Our deployment model covers 5 key components: internal review and assessment, scenario-based strategic options, architectural and integration considerations, investment analysis, and recommendations. Following the localization rollout model, brands and markets have benefited from the WEM platform at an affordable cost and with less technical development. The WEM adoption continues to spread in other regions. Dry Nights Arabia in EMEA, Huggies India in Asia Pacific, to name a few. We define the process in managing vendors, including their scope of work and service level agreement, and is accountable for the product roadmap and market adoption. Vendor management begins with vendor selection. The task of the capability team is to find the right vendor for the business challenge. At the same time, the team is responsible for building the selection criteria to reduce bias. We are responsible for negotiating the contract to get the best value at the most reasonable cost. We define the scope of work of the vendor. The team owns the whole relationship, and as such, we must define the SLAs and corresponding KPIs to track the vendor's performance. This helps in identifying areas for improvement, such as speed of delivery, quality of work, and costs. We look out and discover the newest technology to meet the business challenge or need, and at the same time identify the teams who must be involved in the selection process, which could be from architecture, computer security, and the digital production. The key steps for capability selection include: identify business challenge or need. Identify the capability or technology and the corresponding vendors and partners needed to address the business challenge. Evaluate the tools or solution that support the capability. Run a proof of concept to completely demonstrate the significance of the new technology. Document the results, including all relevant information which will be used in driving awareness and market adoption of the new capability. Ensure the end users have the right knowledge and training of using the new capability. Transfer the knowledge to the digital production team for succeeding market implementations and rollouts. The capability team is 100% accountable of the tasks. We drive these to completion and engage with other teams as required. We are the capability team, and our success is based on partnerships.